A road trip across the United States is the ultimate adventure, offering diverse landscapes, vibrant cities, and iconic landmarks. Whether you love scenic coastal drives, breathtaking national parks, or historic towns, the USA has something for every traveler. Here's a guide to the best road trip routes and must-visit attractions in 2025. 1. Pacific Coast Highway, California. The classic coastal drive. The Pacific Coast Highway (PCH) is one of the most scenic drives in the world, stretching along California's coastline from San Francisco to San Diego. Highlights include the Golden Gate Bridge, Big Sur's rugged cliffs, Malibu's stunning beaches, and the vibrant city life of Los Angeles. 2. Route 66, the historic American road trip. Known as the Mother Road, Route 66 takes travelers from Chicago to Los Angeles, passing through small towns, classic diners, and historic landmarks. Stops include the Cadillac Ranch in Texas, the Grand Canyon in Arizona, and the neon-lit streets of Las Vegas. 3. The Great River Road, Mississippi River. A journey through America's heartland. Following the Mississippi River from Minnesota to Louisiana, this route is perfect for history lovers and nature enthusiasts. Explore Mark Twain's hometown in Hannibal, Missouri, visit the blues capital in Memphis, Tennessee, and enjoy Cajun culture in New Orleans. 4. Blue Ridge Parkway, Virginia and North Carolina. The most scenic drive in the East. The Blue Ridge Parkway offers breathtaking mountain views, winding roads, and charming Appalachian towns. Visit Shenandoah National Park, the scenic Lynn Cove Viaduct, and the vibrant city of Asheville, North Carolina. 5. The Florida Keys Road Trip, a tropical getaway. Drive the stunning overseas highway from Miami to Key West, crossing over 42 bridges with breathtaking ocean views. Explore Key Largo's coral reefs, enjoy the laid-back vibes of Islamorada, and visit the famous southernmost point in Key West. 6. Yellowstone and Grand Teton Loop, a national park adventure. This road trip takes you through some of America's most stunning landscapes. Start in Jackson, Wyoming, and explore the towering peaks of Grand Teton National Park before heading to Yellowstone to see geysers, hot springs, and incredible wildlife. 7. The Texas Hill Country Drive, Bluebonnets and BBQ. Explore rolling hills, charming small towns, and world-famous BBQ joints on this road trip through Texas. Visit Austin's live music scene, hike Enchanted Rock, and tour wineries in Fredericksburg. 8. The Alaska Highway, a wild and remote adventure. For those looking for an off-the-beaten-path adventure, the Alaska Highway takes you through rugged landscapes, glaciers, and remote wilderness. The journey begins in Dawson Creek, Canada, and leads to the breathtaking landscapes of Alaska. 9. New England Fall Foliage Route, the best autumn drive. During the fall, New England transforms into a colorful paradise. Drive through Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine to see stunning fall foliage, charming small towns, and historic covered bridges. Stops include the White Mountains and Acadia National Park. 10. The Deep South Road Trip, Culture, History, and Music. Explore the rich history and musical roots of the Deep South by traveling from Charleston, South Carolina, to New Orleans, Louisiana. Visit Savannah's historic squares, Nashville's country music scene, and the jazz clubs of New Orleans. Book your USA road trip with Jagriti Travel Solutions. Experience the freedom of the open road with a customized USA road trip itinerary from Jagriti Travel Solutions. Whether you're chasing scenic coastal drives or exploring national parks, we'll help you plan the perfect journey. Book your trip today.